FastPreci was founded in 2014 in Shenzhen, China. Starting from a small CNC workshop, we now have a facility of over 4,000 square meters and more than 100 high-end CNC machines. With strong supply chains, we have become a leading CNC machining manufacturer in Shenzhen. We provide precision machining services. For milling, we are equipped with 3, 4, and 5-axis CNC machining centers. For turning, we have CNC lathes, Swiss type, and mill turn machines. Moreover, we offer EDM, wire cutting, and grinding to meet the requirements of complex parts. Our accuracy reaches up to 0.005 millimeters and surface roughness is fine as RA 0.05 micrometers. With our own factory and advanced manufacturing management system, prototypes can be delivered in just 3 days. We offer more than 100 material options including metals, plastics, ceramics, and composites. For production, our engineers research the optimal manufacturing process based on quantity and functionality and may combine aluminum extrusion or precision casting to significantly reduce cost. We provide one-step solutions from prototyping to production, from CNC machining to surface treatment, serving global enterprises across aerospace, medical, robotics, automation, new energy, consumer electronics, and precision instruments. FastPreci is ISO certified and equipped with a CMM system, ensuring full process quality control from raw materials to finished parts. FastPreci reflects our brand philosophy, fast delivery of precision parts. We are ready to empower your innovation and productivity.